Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Pomodoro timer in TickTick to boost your productivity and manage your time more effectively. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several list options like Today, Inbox, Work, Study, or Memo. Go ahead and click on your preferred option depending on where your task is located. This helps you organize your workflow and access the specific tasks you want to focus on. Now, locate the task you want to work on using the Pomodoro timer. Once you've found it, right-click on that task to bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Start Focus. This will reveal additional options, and from there, select Start Pomo. This action initiates the Pomodoro timer specifically for that task, allowing you to dedicate focused time blocks to your work. As soon as you select Start Pomo, the focus timer will automatically open and begin counting down. This timer follows the Pomodoro technique, which typically runs for 25-minute intervals designed to maximize concentration and minimize distractions. You'll see the countdown displayed clearly on your screen, keeping you aware of how much focus time remains. If you want to keep track of your timer or check your progress at any point, simply click on Pomodoro in the left sidebar. This section gives you a clear view of your remaining focus time and allows you to monitor your productivity sessions throughout the day. It's a helpful way to stay accountable and see how much time you've invested in your tasks. Now, work on your task until the timer reaches 0. The goal is to stay completely focused on that one task without switching to anything else during this time block. This concentrated effort is what makes the Pomodoro technique so effective for productivity. If you need to take a break or handle something urgent, you can pause the timer by clicking the pause button at the bottom of the timer interface. Once you click pause, you'll be presented with two options: continue or end. If you're just taking a quick break and plan to resume your work, click continue and the timer will pick up right where you left off. However, if you decide to click end, keep in mind that the record won't be saved if the session is less than 5 minutes. This is just a tutorial example to show you how the feature works, so don't worry about losing important data. The app requires at least 5 minutes of focus time to properly track and record your productivity session. And that's it! You now know how to effectively use the Pomodoro timer in TickTick to manage your tasks and boost your focus. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.